Yes, sir. So what are the situation? What is the current situation on ground of this particular election, which is considered one of the top most high priority election of Uttar Pradesh after the assembly election?
The process is going very smoothly.
Of course, today we have accepted till 3:30 p.m. 307 received application of Gram Pradhan,
Okay.
112 of Gram Panchayat member,
Okay.
and 178 of BDC members.
Okay.
The nomination we received at 3:30
Till
p.m.
3:30 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay. So
The process is going very smoothly,
Okay.
and we have tomorrow also nomination day.
Okay. So did you receive or any complaint or any issue regarding the nominations?
There is no any complaint and there is no any issue. We have sorted out all this issue.
Okay.
There is no any issue.
Okay. And the COVID behavior is being followed as per you or not?
Of course, the COVID norms is followed. We have all the precautionary measures regarding the COVID-19 guidelines.
And did you face any law and order situation? Although I have seen police deployed outside, I even met the SHO outside. The police force is there, quite working on ground. But did you face any law and order issue or any other thing?
There is no any law and order issue, and we have a sufficient number of police personnel deployed here. So there is no any issue regarding law and order.
Okay. So
Everything is very smooth. And
So today the nominations are being filed, and tomorrow also the nomination will get filed. So what is the procedure after that? If you want to explain little bit.
And day after tomorrow, there will be 2 days for reviewing of application, and thereafter we will issue. We will declare the final participant in elections.
Okay. So those whose nomination are not as per the parameters of the election commission, so their nominations will get rejected eventually.
Of course, but we will try that there should not be such a cases.
Okay.
Of course, because in a democracy we want to give the
Fair chance.
give the fair chance
Yeah.
that everybody who want to participate in electoral process,
Yes.
they must get the chance. So of course, because we have a 2 days reviewing process, and whatever there is any regarding any correction, then at that time the correction will done.
Okay, sir. And your name and designation, sir?
My name is Dr. Amar Verma, and my designation is the RO here. I am posted as a RO here.
Okay. So RO like regional officer.
No, it's not a regional officer. Nirvachan Adhikari. Anything else? Or kuch?
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So this was the RO of Sultanpur, currently here in Dhanpatganj block, who is considering all the applications, and he will look, and the team will look into it, the applications post tomorrow, because tomorrow is also the filing of another round of nomination, and post tomorrow, like day after tomorrow, they'll judge accordingly as per their parameters. And as he said that in a democracy, for a healthy democracy to function, he wants to give the government, the election commission wants to give fair chance to everyone to participate. So they will judge upon the applications. And sir, if there are any errors, is it
At that time, we will rectify that.
you will rectify? So yeah, so the team will rectify if there are any errors. So there's no issue in that, and there is no law and order situation as quite popularly shown in the media in UP Panchayat elections. There's no law and order situation on ground, and as per the RO, the COVID behavior is being followed accordingly as per the guidelines. This is Nishchay Vats reporting for InShots Media, Noida.